make the sandwich, we'll first boil the chicken, so take half cup water in a pressure cooker. Add 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste to it. Now add some salt to taste. Add 250 gram boneless chicken. Mix everything well. Place the lid and let this cook for 3 to 4 whistles or until the chicken is cooked properly. Then switch off the flame and let the cooker sit until the pressure is released. And after that, we are going to make a coarse mince of this chicken. So add the chicken pieces into a blender jar. And using the pulse mode, grind this. We don't want a paste of this chicken, just a shredded chicken. Just the way you see on your screen right now. So similarly, take the rest of the chicken and grind it the same way. This chicken is now ready. To this we are going to add 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 small finely chopped green chili or as per your taste, half teaspoon crushed garlic or garlic paste, some salt to taste, 4 to 5 tablespoon mayonnaise. So this mayonnaise is from my eggless mayo recipe. You can check that out on my channel, or you can use store-bought mayo also. Give everything a good mix, and if needed, add more. So I used, I think, around 5 tablespoons. So this filling is now ready. Take 1 bread slice. Okay, before that we are going to remove the sides of the bread slices. These sides can be used to make breadcrumbs, or you can have these with tea. You can toast these and have these with tea or milk. Now take 1 bread slice and spread this mixture onto it. And place the other bread slice on it. So our delicious and easy chicken sandwich is now ready. You can also place some tomato slices inside it if you would like to. And now I'm going to cut the sandwich into 2 triangles. So take a sharp knife and cut it like this. This easy kids lunchbox recipe or a snack recipe for you all is ready. So make these at home and enjoy.